News of the births prompted global condemnation, in part because it raised the ethical spectre of so-called designer babies, in which embryos can be genetically modified to produce children with desirable traits. Loading in response to his announcement, WHO convened the panel of gene editing experts in December. The committee will develop essential tools and guidance for all those working on this new technology to ensure maximum benefit and minimal risk to human health, Samya Swaminathan, whose chief scientist, said on Tuesday. The WHO panel's announcement comes after an international group of scientists and ethicists called for a temporary ban on gene-edited babies in the journal Nature last week. Margaret Ann Hamburg, co-chair of the WHO panel, and her colleagues declined to call for a similar prohibition. Loading, I don't think a vague moratorium is the answer to what needs to be done, she said. What we're trying to do is to look at the broader picture, Hamburg said. The experts envisioned a WHO-directed database where journal publishers and funders of gene editing research would require scientists to sign up, but acknowledged they had not yet worked out how to reprimand any scientists who refused to register. Earlier this year, Chinese investigators said he had dodged supervision of his work and broke research norms because he wanted to be famous. The report said he could face consequences, although it didn't specify which regulations he may have violated. WHO's Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus welcomed the panel's initial plans. Gene editing holds incredible promise for health, but it also poses some risks, both ethically and medically, he said in a statement. Gene editing holds incredible promise for health, but it also poses some risks, both ethically and medically. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, WHO Director General of Committee, said it aims over the next 2 years to produce a comprehensive governance framework for national, local and international authorities to ensure human genome editing science progresses within agreed ethical boundaries. After he revealed his experiment last year, Adhanom Ghebreyesus said at the time that, "We have to be very, very careful. We have a big part of our population who say, don't touch. Gene editing is intended as a more precise way to do gene therapy. Trying it in adults to treat diseases is not controversial, and the DNA changes do not pass to future generations. But most scientists think gene editing to make babies is too risky to be tried at the moment, because of the danger of damaging other genes and because unknown DNA alterations could be passed on." AP, Reuters.